Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Ahrefs backlink reports for SEO audits, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Ahrefs backlink reports for your SEO audit, you first need to log in to your Ahrefs account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Site Explorer tool located in the main menu. Enter the URL of the website you wish to analyze in the search bar. Click on the green search button to process your query. After the results load, locate the Backlinks option in the left-hand sidebar. Click on Backlinks to access the detailed report of all backlinks pointing to the domain. In this section, you will see a list of backlinks along with various metrics. To download the report, look for the Export button at the top right corner of the Backlinks table. Click on the Export button to reveal different format options. Choose your preferred format, such as CSV or Excel. After selecting the format, click on the Export button that appears. The report will start downloading automatically to your device. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Open the file to review the backlink data for your SEO audit. You can analyze metrics like domain rating, anchor text, and more. This data will provide valuable insights for optimizing your SEO strategy. And that's how you download Ahrefs backlink reports for your SEO audits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.